Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can insert videos into your forms and polls on Google Forms. So let us get started. So navigate to your form on Google Forms, and what you want to do, guys, is click into your first question. So let me go with that, not that checklist, but let me go with that form here. So what you want to do, guys, is simply use that button here to the right, add a video, where we would like to insert your video, like in the question title. Click into it, and after that you will be redirected to that window here. So as you can see, you can select or embed videos only from YouTube. So you will need to either paste the videos URL here or search for it. So let me go with, I don't know, lo-fi, for example, and after that select one of these. You go with that one here, click into insert, and you will see the preview here. And after that, guys, you may also give the video a title, describe it, and yeah, continue by adding more questions. For instance, if you'd like to add or build up a poll and question based on the given video you embedded, and give your poll respondents and participants the opportunity to provide answers provided or based on the given video, just for the sake of a tutorial. So once the given poll has been published, your respondents will be able to watch the video either as a preview or by being redirected to YouTube and participate in that poll. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.